Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this simple Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to insert a rounded rectangle shape in Word for creating stylish designs, labels, buttons, banners, flowchart, and professional documents layout. Rounded rectangles are one of the most useful shape in Word because they look modern, clean, and visually attractive. So let's get started. We can see here assignment for my college. Now I am need some rounded rectangle to make some text box and some design. I go to the insert menu, click the shape drop down menu, and we can see here the rectangle shapes, and the second shape is rounded rectangle. You can draw it. Now I am draw the rectangle easily. You can change the color of the shape and make another style. Select the shape, go to the format menu, click shape fill option. Otherwise you can make the outline none and add another color. Otherwise you can sharp or thick the corner. Here select the rounded button and move it to make the corner any shape or size. You can make very rounded, too rounded, or some round. You can make it easily. Otherwise you can make a square rounded shape. Go back again the shape menu and draw the shape. Press and hold shift on our keyboard. We can see we make it a square shape. You can make it the oval, etc. Go back again the shape fill and change the color of the shape. Now we can see we make the rounded rectangle shape in Word very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.